Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Dog Partition Net for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Now the net installs easily using a series of hooks through the rear cargo tie downs, as well as into the belt rail, and some bungees and hooks around the sport bar to quickly and easily divide the passenger and cargo compartment. Now this will help keep your four-legged friends from jumping back and forth between the rear seat and the cargo area. It'll also help keep your gear where it belongs when you're out on the trail. And it's even been designed so that it works with the rear seats folded up or folded down. Now, if you want to get more information about the Mopar Dog Partition Net, you can click on the info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you've got any questions or comments about the net, you can leave them for us below or hit us up at any of the options on the screen. And of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys at the dog park.